Hi there, I'm Renee Fuentes and welcome back to my channel, Thai Caliente. Today I'm sharing a recipe for beef and 3-bean chili, but I'm also adding a secret ingredient. So the secret ingredient came about when I was trying to make a chili for my family. My daughter's pretty picky, but I wanted to bump up the nutrition factor. So I decided to add some sweet potato into the chili. And once it was done, I went ahead and mashed it inside. So it kind of created this really creamy, thick chili, but the flavor of the sweet potato kind of actually goes really well with the spices and the beef. And you know, while I tell my daughter there is some sweet potato in there, as long as she can't see it, she's perfectly fine with eating it. So if you have picky eaters, this is great. I am making this chili in my Instant Pot. Guys, let me show you how to make it.
All right, so for the ground beef, I'm actually using 1.34 pounds, which is kind of an odd amount. I've done it with both 1 pound and 2 pounds, so either one of those measurements would work. This is 2 tablespoons of chili seasoning, and then I have some better than bouillon beef flavoring. And the tomato sauce, this is a small can, but I actually used a regular size can or a 15-ounce can of tomato sauce, and 2 cans of tri-bean blend, but feel free to use whatever type of beans you prefer. And then I'm doing a little over a cup of diced sweet potato. You can even do frozen sweet potato if you have those on hand as well. So I'm going to add some oil into the Instant Pot, and I'm gonna go ahead and cook my ground beef all the way through. I did season it with the beef bouillon as well as 2 tablespoons of the chili seasoning. So now I'm gonna add my beans that I've drained and then the tomato sauce and give everything a good stir to incorporate it. And then I'm gonna add the sweet potatoes, and that's it, my friends. Pretty easy. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the lid on, and actually, sorry, I forgot 1 cup of water. If you don't put water, then you will get a burn notice on the Instant Pot. So I'm gonna put the lid on and set the timer to actually 25 minutes. And then I usually let the pressure release naturally for about 10 minutes and then quick release the remaining pressure. So here's the part where I'm gonna go in with the potato masher and just kind of lightly mash it until all of the sweet potato kind of gets incorporated with the chili. This is still pretty hot, but once it cools down a little bit, you're left with kind of a thick and luxurious chili. Go ahead and top it with your favorite chili toppings. I am doing some shredded Mexican cheese blend and some Greek yogurt because that's what my kids like, some chopped onions, and then we serve it with some corn chips or cornbread. All right, you guys, I hope you enjoyed this recipe for Instant Pot beef and sweet potato chili, and be sure to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.